YouTube, what it do? We at the shop today, working on this Benz, working on the Benz again. Yeah, Tristan's working on the Benz. So how much you want for this, man? What's the ticket? How much do you need?
The ticket?
Yeah. $3.99?
Fuck no.
Hell yeah.
Fuck no.
Man, I love to hear it.
Fuck no.
Yeah, so this Benz back in, and it came back in for a wheel bearing, and we didn't end up replacing the wheel bearing because we needed a $400 tool, and so we just replaced the spindle. We used a used one, but it's got a good wheel bearing in it. And now we fixed that, and there was still a clunking sound, so we noticed the ball joint was bad. The bushing is shot. Bushing is shot. So we grabbed a new one. Talk to the people real quick, Tristan. Tristan the mechanic.
That's bullshit.
Tell them what we got going. Barely fit your finger in there.
No.
Yeah, we kind of replaced the whole front end. This is new. This on the other side is new. This wheel bearing is used, but it's practically new. This control arm we got is new. You see, yeah, you can see this bolt is fresh. That's the new sway bar and link. Hopefully this is the last part he needs on the front end.
I don't want to buy this bitch off him for $3 grand.
$3 grand?
Yep.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, I ain't gonna go over 3.
Come down. All right. Up. Even.
Ooh. Yeah, get up in there.
John Cena.
Gluten tight. Ooh, tight. Gluten tight.
Gluten tight.
Yeah.
No more. Don't worry. Hold on, I can't see the folks, man. Just the bottom of there we go. Hold back up. There you go. So what, you're just gonna undo these? Make sure they're extra tight. Gluten tight. Is it lined up? Go up, go up. Okay. Is this heat shit out the way?
Yes. Totally.
Alright. Where's your electric ratchet?
Missing it, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's on the ground right here. That's good, baby. Okay, cool. Oh, it's not lined up.
Get it lined up then.
Well, where's the flathead?
I got it.
No, you don't.
I already did. You don't need it.
The road got the control arm in there. Everything's on there. Wheel bearing greased up. Brand new rotors, brand new brake pads. The whole front end's basically been replaced. If it's still clunking after this,
Time to hide.
jump it off a bridge. Alright, man, we fixed this shit, man. Ain't nothing. Ain't nothing but a few bolts, man. Got it right. You see we got another Benz out here. 2 Benz. Okay. Finally, man, got this thing fixed. Let's go. Please like, share, subscribe. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Hopefully this is the last time I see this Benz. I've been working on it for almost a month and a half now. But we got it good. We got it good, man. Shout out Poverty Built. Shout out YSN Autos. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.